Hey there, and welcome back to Lulu University. This week, we're going to be talking about building your author platform. So this is going to be the foundation of a successful marketing plan, so stay tuned. Author platforms. Why do you need one? Well, you need to build a following. Who's going to read your book when you're done with it? Building your author platform helps you get these people interested and engaged early on so that when you finish your book, you have an audience that's ready to read the work. First up on building your author platform, author website/blog. Very, very important. This is your home base. This is your pillar page of where your readers will go to find out information about you. And you can really get creative with it and show a little bit of your personality. This is a great place for your blog to live. This is a great place for you to capture email addresses, which we'll talk about later. And also, you can let people know where to find you on your social media channels. Up next is social media. So whether you love to hate it or hate to love it, it can be a very necessary tool in reaching your readers. So social media is great because it really helps build a community. You're able to have a back and forth with your readers, you're able to get their input on the work that you're doing, and you're able to connect with them on a different level than just your author website. Not only is social media a great tool for you to connect with your readers, it's also a great way to connect with other authors. And I know that it can be sort of intimidating when you're starting out writing and you may see other authors as competition, but think about yourself and how you read. You don't only read one author, probably. And so finding other authors that are in your genre or that are writing on the same theme as you can really be a powerful tool for promotion because you can help and reach their audience, they can reach your audience, and so it can be really great for building a community. Social media is also awesome for showing your personality a little bit. What is your morning routine like? What does your cat do when you're writing? What does your backyard look like? Whatever. Those are all boring. Do something more interesting than that. But it's just a great way to show people what you're doing behind the scenes and really get those readers engaged. Last but not least, another great feature of social media, ads. You can pay to make people see your content, which can be very beneficial and not very expensive. So $50 on Facebook ads or Twitter ads can go a long way. So definitely, if you have a product and you want your book to get out to people that maybe you don't feel like you're reaching, or maybe your community or audience isn't where you want it to be, go ahead and put some money behind it and see how it goes. Quick pro tip about social media, start slow. You do not have to have a Snapchat, Instagram, those are the only two I can think of right now, but you don't have to have a presence on every single channel. Pick and choose which ones you want and find out where your readers are and only utilize those channels. If you're waking up in the morning with a headache already because your phone's pinging and bleeping and blurping or whatever, then cut back. Only do what feels right to you and what your audience is responding to. Your author website is up and running. Your blog is killing it. Social media, you're getting all the likes. It's great. What else can you do? Email lists. Email lists are a great way to reach your readers and really, really identify your true fans or who's really engaged in the content that you create. So, a lot of people think of email lists as sort of a last resort or maybe not as important as having a social media presence. But how many of your Facebook followers are seeing the posts that you put? Maybe, I think the statistics are 7% might see the posts that you put up. How many people are getting your newsletter, your emails that are on your email list? 100%. And those people gave you access to their email. That's an intimate relationship right there. That's kind of next level when you're giving someone your email address. So don't overlook the email list. There are a lot of free email list service providers. MailChimp is one of them. Constant Contact is another one. And there are several others out there that have free trials or very inexpensive plans. That's a little bit of information about how to build an awesome author platform. This should definitely get you started. We'll go a little bit more in depth on some of these aspects in future videos, but if there's anything you have questions about or anything you think we left out of this one, leave it in the comments below and be sure to hit subscribe so you always know when we're coming up with the best videos on YouTube from Lulu.